By the way, guys, in case you're really interested to try this at home, I generally make it a point to share all my rough sketches and patterns for the sieving projects over at my Patreon page. So, by the way, it's totally royalty free and copyright free. You can use them any way you want. So, in case you're interested in my content, please head out to my Patreon page and think about supporting us. If you do, that will help us go a long way in bringing to you really nice content on a regular basis. Yeah, I look a little silly in this. Don't get me wrong, I probably look silly either way, but this is really meant for my wife. I know it's really not my design philosophy to go with a colorful design like this. My wife complained that most of the stuff that I make looks, mid 18th century, and I took the criticism. So I drew something a little more colorful than I generally do. Don't get me wrong, by the way, if you've seen my earlier videos, I made a really sturdy workshop apron a couple of months back, and when my wife wanted a new apron, I thought I would make her something like this, but that's more of a protective gear for a workshop. What I mean by that, it's really thick and heavy, and if you live in a hot and humid climate such as ours, it's really not very comfortable. So I made this instead. It's still thick. It's made of denim, but single layer, so won't make you sweat as much. Couple of features here. Obviously, I have a pocket. Oh, by the way, I have a neat little. I don't know if you can see this. I have a neat little pocket to keep the mobile phone in case you suddenly get a call. You don't need to rush out of the kitchen. And one more feature is you need to have a towel on you at all times. So I could have gone with a pocket, but generally the towel is kind of falls off, difficult to stuff it in. So what I've done is I've attached Velcro, which sticks on like so. So at any time you want, you have a towel on you, you want to wash it, go ahead and wash. Put this in the washer. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.